Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hesti Zulaika. Definition of verb of frequency. Verbs of frequency is an adverb that states how often an action or activity ought by knowing the meaning of adverb of frequency. Someone will know the intensity or how pronouncing the thing is done is happening. Adverb of frequency definition types formulas example extensions problem and sequences in English. This adverb in itself is then formed to frequency, namely the adverb of quantity and also the quantity of number. An example of an adverb of how often will an example of an adverb of number is how many. An adverb of frequency, this simple regulars of frequency adverb will help you use them correctly. Always use adverb of frequency to tell about how often something happens. Adverb of frequency of often. So they are often except with the parent simple tense is essentially has only on verb brings the frequency in the mid of the sentence of that it is after the subject but before the verb. Example, Danang never leaves, he always taking the bus. Danang never leaves, he always taking the bus. When a sentence contains more than one verb, place the adverb of frequency main verb. For example, they have often, they have often visit Europe when passing and verb of frequency in the state of forming. Do you usually get up so late? Do you usually make up this late? Instead of adverb of frequency and verb of frequency do the best then you can in making. This is the type of adverb of frequency that you can into. Let's see. Adverb frequency adverb of definition. Often use this type of has a very clear and precise breakdown of time method estimates. Adverbs that are absent in English. Frame of time. Frame adverb of manner. To gain a better understanding. So in this actually in English Bali, we will provide example of phrases they use the complex adverb of frequency and their meanings. About the example and how to use the adverb of influence you can vary in your until learning of frequency the will of those of you who are still concerned about making instances using the adverb of frequency. Here are example. My friend and I usually spend the 20 and feedbacks. My friend Benny often goes to school by bike. Often goes to school by bicycle. Bobby seldom goes to the school library, and Body Lightning goes to school library. F.A. Mother very rarely boosts definitely because unfold and trending because definition of verb of regularance example Form of frequency is an effort to deceive the frequency of intensity of isme. Babe could out or quality happening at bottom of frequency usually as where quantion fused with another in the form of number. Some example of quantion when to enter the event of frequency sterling, with how often, how frequency, and how many teams and many will the moon's comment at frame of frequency are always frequency and ever never or squarely often really regularly schooly seldom so much as and swally adverb of frequency into a kid's name. Feeling of defining frequency and effort of indexing frequency both time of frequency are used to describe the intensity or quantity of time, but in they are defined in the exponential of the time. The exponential of the effort of frequency in extension can be used for the verb defined to be between the verb and at the end of the sentence. Below is a more sample explanation of frequency before the verb. Formula subject implies verb of frequency verb. I will finish my task before I go to bed. Spoon my milk before I go to bed. Adverb of defining after the verb to be. Formula subject plus to be is am or was less when adverb from physics. Say is not usually only has usually not a regard at form of frequency but when the verb in a sense there the two at form of frequency verb friend between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. The following formula can be used from past replacement verb. Hakan stamina di main marathon. Coming beat me in a marathon. At formula of frequency at the end of the sentence f1 of frequency at the end of a sentence is a form number of adverb of defining sequence and effort that end in ly. My besties took my turn. I saw what my friends with daily best friend to go my bed usually my friend with a day. To good matter in the to good means a week. Similar of frequency at that end of the frequency at form of frequency f at that and Wi-Fi. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, ma'am.